Hello kids, let's draw dancing leaves together. First, follow the teacher's steps. To draw a big leaf, this leaf shape is oval at the top and ends in a sharp point at the bottom. Now let's think about what other shapes leaves can have. Have you ever seen a ginkgo leaf? Ginkgo leaves look like small fans. After drawing two leaves, let's give them their unique expressions. For the first leaf, draw big sparkling eyes. Add two circles inside the eyes, and fill in the remaining part with a black marker. After that, add beautiful eyelashes to the leaf. Next, draw its mouth. This is a happy leaf. Since it's a dancing leaf, let's draw its hands and feet in a simple way, like bean sprouts. After drawing the first leaf, let's draw the expression for the second leaf. Give it curved eyes and add eyelashes. Finally, add its mouth, and also draw its dancing hands and feet, the same way as the first leaf. After finishing the drawings, we have completed our two dancing leaves. Now it's time to color them. First, take a green marker and draw wavy lines around the first leaf. After that, take an orange marker and also use wavy lines to draw around the ginkgo leaf. Use a red marker to color the mouth of the first leaf. Then take a blue marker to dot the blank parts of the ginkgo leaf. Use a fluorescent green marker to dot the blank parts of the first leaf. Finally, take a fluorescent yellow marker to add some musical notes. Besides using a yellow marker, you can also choose other colored markers for dotting. After finishing the dots, use a silver yellow marker to outline the first leaf. Once done, use a rose red marker to outline the second leaf. After completing the outlines, our drawing is finished. Thank you for watching my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.